Hello everyone, today we're going to be putting a Flowmaster 40 series muffler and deleting a resonator on a 2005 Toyota Highlander 3.3. Hope you enjoy. As you can see, it's not very loud. Let's do something about that. Alright, so we still have all our catalytic converters. Third one right there. Let's see. I decided to clamp my adapter I made for the muffler, only in case I want to switch back to the stock muffler. Then I welded in a little extension for the tailpipe. And I did leave the factory resonator on there for right now. I want to see how it sounds with that first. I may delete it and put a nice big fat resonating tip on it. Something like that. Alright, resonator's back on, everything's back together. Let's see how it sounds with the resonator still on it. Okay, now I've deleted out the resonator. My welds aren't the prettiest, I was running out of gas. And put my tip on. Alright, now we have the resonator deleted. I just have a straight pipe to a resonated tip. Let's see how that sounds. Hopefully better. It wasn't too loud before. Tips all on there. We're back home. I gotta paint the exhaust still to hide the silver, but let's give it a rev, see how it sounds. I hope you enjoyed today's little project. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below what you think.